Okay, so number 6, we're starting with number 6 since we're doing all the odds in class. So this tells me that we're starting at number 1 and we're going until number 7, and we're using this formula for our sequence. Okay, so we're going to go negative 3 times 1 plus negative 3 times 2 plus negative 3 times 3 plus negative 3 times 4 plus negative 3 times 5 plus negative 3 times 6 plus negative 3 times 7. Okay, so now we get to figure out what all those numbers are and then add them together. So negative 3 plus negative 6 plus negative 9 plus negative 12 plus negative 15 plus negative 18 plus negative 21. Okay? Since we know all of these are going to be negative, we know we're going to end up with a negative number. So 3 and 6 is 9, 9 and 9 is 18, 18 and 12 is 20, 35, 35 plus 18, so 45 plus 8 is 53, plus 21, 74. Did I say 53? Yeah, 53. 74, negative 74. There we go. There's our answer. I thought I made a mistake for a second, but I was right. Okay, let's go on to number 8. Number 8. Okay, so we're starting at 2, going until 9 using this formula. So we're going to go 2 times, oh, sorry, just kidding. We're going to put the whole thing in parentheses. Okay. 2 times 2 minus 7 plus 2 times 3 minus 7 plus 2 times 4 minus 7. It's helpful to write it out as a formula first and then figure out what all the numbers are. Plus 2 times 5 minus 7 plus 2 times 6 minus 7 plus 2 times 8 minus 7 plus 2 times 9 minus 7. Okay. Well, this is 4 minus 7 is negative 3. 6 minus 7 is negative 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. 12 minus 7 is 5. 16 minus 7 is 9. Oops. Wait, did I make a mistake? 16 minus 7 is 9, yes. Did I miss a number somewhere? I forgot 7. Shame on me. We forgot 7. 14 minus 7 is 7 plus 9 plus 18 minus 7 is 11. I thought I missed a number here, so I'm glad I figured that out. You're probably like, Miss Han, you forgot 7. So we got it. We're good now. Add all these up. Negative 4. You know what? Here's what's going to happen. Negative 3 is going to cancel out with 3. Negative 1 is going to cancel out with 1. So we really just have to add those two together. 5 plus 7 is 12. Plus 9 is 21. Plus 11 is 32. All right. That wasn't so bad. Okay. Go on to the next one. Number 10. We're starting at 2 and we're going to 8. And we're going to add them all up. So I'm going to go, we'll go up here. 2 cubed over 2 plus 3 cubed over 2. So I'm just plugging in numbers for C. Plus 4 cubed over 2 plus 5 cubed over 2 plus 6 cubed over 2 plus 7 cubed over 2 plus 8 cubed over 2. Okay. Lucky for us, in my classroom, we have those trusty perfect cube posters, so you can just look at those and figure this out. 2 cubed is 8. So this is 8 over 2. 3 cubed is 27 over 2. 4 cubed is 64 over 2. 5 cubed is 125 over 2. 6 cubed is 216 over 2. 7 cubed is 343 over 2, and 8 cubed is 512 over 2. Okay, even numbers are going to be easy to figure out. Halves, I mean, all of these are because you're just dividing by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Half of 27 is 13.5. 32. Let's see, 62.5. 216, half of 216 is 108. 343, that's 171.5. Oops. Plus 256. Okay, and we're going to add all those together. I already have all these added together, so if you add them together, you should get 647.5. So if you want to check that on your calculator, make sure I didn't make a mistake. That would be awesome. Okay, so that's it for number 10. Our last example in this video is number 12. We're starting at 4, we're going to 8 using this formula, but you may notice there's this 3 times on the outside. That means it's 3 times the sum of all this. So we're going to find the sum first, just like we've been doing, and then at the very end we're going to multiply it by 3. Okay, so we're just going to ignore that 3 until the very end. So we're starting at 4, going to 8. So 4 minus 4 squared plus 4 minus 5 squared plus 4 minus 6 squared plus 4 minus 7 squared plus 4 minus 8 squared. Okay? Well, we know this is going to be 0. 4 minus 5 is -1, and -1 squared is 1. 4 minus 6 is -2 squared is 4. -3 squared is 9. -4 squared is 16. Add all those together. 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 16 is 30. But remember, we have to multiply it by this 3. So 90 is our answer for that one. Okay, so series aren't that hard. It's just all about sequences and then adding up the terms. So if you understand sequences, you can understand series really easily. The hardest part about series is understanding what the heck this symbol means. And since I explained it and we went through it and we did a few examples, hopefully it makes more sense. Okay, so now that you're done with the video, I want you to try the evens. I mean, we're going to go through them in, the odds. But we're going to go through them in class anyway, but when we go through them in class, you can check your answers that way too. Okay, so good luck on the practice quiz.